In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Meet on your laptop, ensuring you're always equipped with the latest features and security improvements. Whether you're about to hop on a business call, attend a class, or catch up with friends, keeping Google Meet updated is essential for a smooth and efficient experience. Let's dive into the process step by step to make it as seamless as possible for you. First, let's head over to your laptop and open your go-to web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google search page. In the search bar, simply type in "How to update Google Meet on laptop" and proceed to hit the Enter key. This will pull up a list of search results that can guide you further. Now, in the results, look for the most reliable source. Usually, the official Google support page or a trusted tech site will provide you with the most accurate information. Select this link to continue. Once on the page, you'll likely find a detailed guide on how to update Google Meet. Take a moment to scan through the information provided to get a sense of the steps involved. Next, normally if there are any updates available for Google Meet, you might have to go through the platform used for downloading it. Typically, this could be the Chrome Web Store if you are using the browser extension or the Google Play Store if you have an Android app, though primarily for laptops, it's the browser's role. What you'll want to do is check if there are any updates available for Google Chrome itself. As Google Meet is inherently linked with Chrome, keeping the browser updated ensures that Meet is running on the latest version. On Chrome, you can check for updates by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From there, select Help and then About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them if available. If you're not using Chrome, make sure your chosen browser is up to date as well, as a fully updated browser supports the latest web technologies that Google Meet uses for its enhancements. Head over to your browser's update section and follow their instructions to ensure you're fully up to date. Lastly, once you've ensured all updates are applied, restart your browser. This allows all changes to take effect correctly. Then, launch Google Meet again to see if it prompts any further updates or if you're ready to start your meeting with the latest features. And that's it. With these steps, you can ensure that your Google Meet is up to date and ready to provide you with the best online meeting experience possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to stay tuned for more tech tips and updates.